it's 6 a.m. What are you doing? Motherfucker didn't charge it.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a big issue. When Nate says he's perfect.
It was literally blinking. So which one is it? Not that one. Is it that one? Turn the light on real quick. Oh, that's probably why. Okay, let's see how much it charges. So we're going to Broken Bow, Oklahoma. But first, New Mexico for some fuel. And then Broken Bow should be about 6 hours of total flight time. Start charging things up, like God forbid our radios go bad, we have a backup radio to talk to people. And get all the electronics charged so we have a nice, safe, and fun flight.
What's the battery for?
This battery is for Starlink. This obviously is for the radio. And so we should have enough. That charges up to 50%. We'll have about 4 or 5 hours of time for it to charge. So I think we'll be fine. But prefer it to be 100. And what time is it? 6:45? Yeah, so we have 30-40 minutes for it to charge. So I think we'll be fine. And then we can always charge it in New Mexico and then on the way there as well. So it'll be a good flight day today. We're going to go have some fun. Check out both my homes in Oklahoma. Stay at the larger one. We've got a pool put into it, as well as an outdoor movie theater, and all the fun stuff that Eric gets at Airbnb frequently. So you should check it out.
You're waiting for this moment, huh?
Fucking millennial.
You're waiting for this moment, bro.
Dude, I'll kill you. Here. All right. Do you want a blankie too, dude?
No, I'm good. All right, be good, boys and girls.
You know, the second that we fucking leave, this guy's going back to sleep on the couch, dude.
Never, bro. I don't sleep. Team no sleep.
You don't sleep. He no pillow is what you mean.
Get open.
Stop, bitch.
You might not even need freaking iPhone.
What you been? Drive safe.
Hey, I'll stay here. Stop. That's how I get hurt, motherfucker. Casey just asked me if I wanted content. I told him no, but
Now you say yes.
yeah. Where are we at?
We're in Beelan at New Mexico, getting our first fuel stop in a really small airport. Casey always does a good job at helping doing flight planning, and so getting the fuel, putting some more fuel in the plane. Another 3 hours more, we'll be in Broken Bow, but we're gonna go grab some food, charge the Starlink battery, and get after it. All right, so this is the FBO. These are really small FBOs. So here, normally you'll like rent a car from somebody, they'll give it to you. We'll give it to you for free. They just have the car keys just hang in here. And you fill out a crew car agreement form. So, because there's nobody working here right now. And so we do that, grab the car, and go pick up Casey that just brought the plane after getting fueled. We're charging our Starlink battery over there, go get lunch, come back, return the car, and all this will be done in less than an hour. It's the beauty about private aviation is almost every one of these has a car you can use for free, put fuel in it if you use a ton of fuel, and it makes it about as easy as it gets.
No doorknobs even in the back seat.
You get locked up. Where's my backup screen? So in really small areas like this, the cars aren't generally the nicest. When you go into ones that are like, you know, have towers and stuff, you'll get like a little Mercedes or something newer. But I mean, I'm not bitching for a free car to get to lunch, right? So
He's bitched for less.
much less.
We're leaving good old. What's it called?
There's 10 people in there and there's a 40-minute wait on food. Somebody explain that logic to me. Unless they're having to give like a 30-minute lunch to their one cook in there. It's the only thing I can think of that would make sense.
Do you have nav already on your logging it out now.
Broken Bow Lake. Gonna get a little bit of exercise here, and then we go zip lining. So nice and crisp. So part of it's checking out the area and the homes that you own, and can't beat this view, as you can see.
All right, just went on a 5-mile hike. How are you feeling?
Good. It's a nice and easy car. Yeah, easy. We want to get a little bit of exercise after a few drinks and dinner last night. Next is zip lining. So we're gonna have some fun zip lining. Go check out my other home, make sure it's good out here, and then making this guy happy. We're all gonna go have some fun, fly to the world's largest casino in the plane, and have a nice dinner. Mikey's gonna lose some more money, I'm sure.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I left, and it was like 5 a.m.
Who do you think we're waiting on? Mr. Nathan.
And unfortunately, I thought that he was going to be delivering it at a later time anyway.
Have to be out of here at 3:45. Look who.
What time is it? It's 3:44. With getting about 3 hours worth on 15 minutes.
Let's call and say hi to everybody for me, okay?
What, 60 emails? 40 texts? The business part is talking shit. Probably, yes.
Will he be at the front door? And look at him, right on time.
Exactly. Fucking know it.
All right.
Just landed in Gainesville, Texas. Gas compared to say Carlsbad is 4.60 versus 8, so not mad about that. There is one, maybe two of these planes left in the world. Casey has educated us so eloquently. It is not operational, but it used to be back in the day when the old Rolls-Royce and Model Ts and the highest end cars you could have. This is how the wealthy transferred these cars around the world, and so this is one of two or one of one that has not been basically deconstructed and scrapped for metal. It is a very funky looking plane, but once this one's gone, you'll never be able to see one in person again. So although I'm not the biggest aviation geek, it's pretty neat to see things like this, especially 50 plus years old, so you have to check it out.
You look like a fucking midget.
Alright. So you can see how big this thing is in relative compared to being on, not that I'm the biggest guy in the world, but this nose, you can see the 3 hinges on this side. It opens up like this. Got a ramp and you put cars inside of this back in the day. I think it had up to 6 cars and 4 high-powered engines, and then they transport the wealthiest of people's cars around the world. In addition to that, there's actually some windows on the side of the plane here, and you could have anywhere from, I think, 5 to 10, maybe 12 people above the cars that you can bring as part of your community as well. So, and this is the last of them in the world. It does not operate, but it is a piece of aviation history and pretty new. What time is it? 9:30. So we'll be back at 10:15. Home by 11. Back up at 7, and to Scottsdale for a special treat.
Tell them where we went, what we did.
We went to the world's largest casino in Thackersville, Texas, and Mikey won what, $600, and we had a good steak.
Forgot to record everything.
I forgot to record. Casey's pissing in the corner of an airport, so make sure you arrest him. And we're gonna fly back and enjoy the rest of our night. And this is the whole point about life: have some fun, So you fly from Oklahoma to Texas for a steakhouse and some gambling. If you can't live a life like that or choose not to want to, then maybe experience the opportunity to do things like that in life, which is incredible. So let's go. So we made it. Beautiful landing by Casey.
The one and only.
10 o'clock at night. I mean, that was, you don't get a better landing on a short field at 10 o'clock at night. Dark ass landing strip. And that, so now we're tying her up, 8 a.m. tomorrow. Scottsdale. Watch what's gonna happen tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, getting out of our G-Wagon here.
Headed to Scottsdale.
Headed to Scottsdale.
All right, spiel.
How's it look?
Good.
That's pretty good for. All right, Broken Bow. We're gonna be probably taking off that away because there is way less tall trees than that way. Pretty calm today, quiet. This is a really small airport, so put all the luggage in. Hour and 45 minutes to Childress, Texas. From Childress, we get full fuel, get some. Look at that, all that smoke going from the factory over there. And then get some fuel, maybe a quick bite, and then off to Scottsdale. And whole different world. This is nice and quiet, easy going, farmland and blue collar work. And then you go out to Scottsdale, and it's a ton of money and kind of a shit show. So in a matter of a few hours, crazy differences. It's almost like you're in a different country. So a lot of fun. Just landed. There's another Sears fueling up. So we're in Childress, Texas, getting fuel now since we can afford to fill that bad boy up. And we're going to go from there all the way to Scottsdale, which will be a 3-hour, almost 4-hour trek. So it'll be a minute. So we're going to be doing that today, and then Scottsdale we're going to be looking for a new acquisition for me since my most recent one was total. So we'll see what that looks like here in about 4 hours or so. All right, we are out of here. Full up on fuel.
Fucking bastard.
So that one's electronic? We landed in Scottsdale. We'll get some lunch because I haven't eaten today. I'm starving. I know Mikey behind the scenes is starving here too, and Casey's probably even worse. So going to grab some food and then check out the car. And from there, probably head home. We'll see how the day plays out. Right, I'm like, I already ordered an Uber. For 1 minute, I'm not going to order $40 a month.
Buying something nice here?
Don't buy anything today. We're checking it out, making sure it's worth buying. But yes, that is the goal. Is to replace what drunk drivers fuck up in my life.
Cool little shot.
An exotic car sales facility, and they had, I don't know, 150 supercars there. contemplating if I want to buy this Phantom. Very, very nice car. Would be a good replacement. Gotta make sure I get the right terms that I want, both price and financing. And since we got done with that quickly, I'm gonna jump in the plane, not stay here, head home, go see the wife and daughter, and get a little relaxed time.
Headed back to San Diego.
Alright, stay tuned to the next vlog to see if I got what I wanted out of the Rolls or I'm going to continue to search.